Can all the ladies leave the room? I'd like to talk to this so-called man who are busy hurting and killing our beautiful, precious women. I don't know whether I should call you cowards or monsters noma ubushimane mayese ngakuthanda umbulalelani mayitshela amaqiniso umshayelani anisasabi nejele kumele kubuyise intaba noma banquma intaba. We can't make our own decisions without fear anymore. I just wanted to be your friend, but you forced yourself to me wanting more, ripped my clothes off. I cried and begged you, please don't. Okay. You raped me, broke my heart. Did you have to kill me though? Wasn't the pain enough? Did you have to burn me like coal, Gandhi? What happened to love and respect? When you cheated on me, what did you expect? Masenhlukana now uyanyathela like an insect. Then you tweet about it that instant. What happened to justice? You're still not in jail, but you a suspect. The fuck? You just killed me and told your friends about it. More girls have become your victims. You're still doing it. What's happening? Is this some kind of demon? Is it a disease? Why don't you treat her good if you'd hate to watch her leave? Ningat, it's love or jealousy. I won't believe. Stupidity. I'm locked in this dark room. I've been missing for months. Surely you'll have seen my face on the papers. I don't eat anything. They eat me. I need a saver. I'm being sold to old filthy man. It's so hot in here. I sweat. I hardly bath. I just need a fan. I'm so thin, dying. I'm sure mom and God are no longer friends. Men should be the people we run to for protection. Man should listen to our problems and understand. Man should wipe our tears and put smiles on our faces, but no. These so-called men are what we fear the most. These so-called men are the reason why we cry every day and night. These so-called men are the reason why we have so many scars. These so-called men can let arguments pass. This